What up, YouTube? Welcome to my new channel. My name is Lil Red, but this is my new YouTube channel. So, as y'all can tell by the title, we are going to be dyeing my hair. We dyeing my hair intensive red. Okay, this is bomb. And look at her. She is bomb on the box. So, I'm trying to get my hair this color today. Come on, y'all. We got to do it. My hair is black. We going red. Before y'all get in this video, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So this is all what comes in a Cream of Nature box. Color developer. This is the intensive conditioning treatment right here. This is the cream gel hair color right here. Argan oil heat treatment right here. And we got the instructions over here. So I'm gonna mix this all up for y'all and then we're gonna start applying. But before we get in this video, let me use some Vaseline to these damn edges, because I don't want my hair to be burning off and shit. But so I'm all done with that. And this is what the color look like. Ooh, it looks fiery red. So let's get into it, y'all. So currently at the moment, y'all, it looks fire orange. Like, what the fuck? I want it red. But we're going to see, y'all. I'm going to put this bag over my head. I just hope it turned out fire red. I'm going to give it at least 25 minutes. And then I'll be back with y'all with the finishing, results. Period. This is currently what it's looking like. I'm not advised, y'all, to get this box of dye. It's supposed to be intense red, but it looks orange. And I feel like if I wash it out, it's not going to be red. I advise y'all to get the high color red, which I was about to get. And I wanted to try this, on a budget. I'm pretty sure if I wash it out, it's not going to, stay. So I'm about to wash it out and, probably dye it again, but I don't know. So I'll be back with y'all. So y'all, this is the finished results. As y'all can see, it's not really red like I really wanted it to be, but it's okay. So I would rate this like a 4 out of 10. Tell me in the comments, like, how will I make my hair more darker? I want it more red. I should have just went on and used the fucking high color and stopped being cheap. This is the result of that. So y'all go buy the high color, because if y'all want a red, it's not going to turn out with the Cream of Nature box dye. It's not giving. But this is the finished results, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.